Stop! 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 Stop!
What the hell? What's wrong?
You are really bad at driving. You are lucky. Otherwise, your car would have ended up in a ditch.
It's not luck. Hey, let me tell you, it's really not luck. It's all skill. Please believe me. It's very simple. You memorize these few words, and when you sit in the car in the future, you will be able to know the situation. First, when parking, there is a curb in front of you. Watch the rear view mirror. When the lower edge of the mirror coincides with the lower edge of the curb, step on the brake immediately. At this point, the distance is only 30 centimeters. Second, when reversing, there is a curb at the back. Look at the front door handle from the rearview mirror. When the center position of the door handle coincides with the curb, step on the brake, and the distance is only 30 centimeters. Third, when parking on the curb, stare at the knuckles of the windshield wiper and turn slowly. When you see that the knuckles of the wiper overlap with the steps on the curb, turn the steering wheel. At this time, the distance is only 30 centimeters. Fourth, judge the distance to the vehicle in front. When the lower edge of the rear bumper of the vehicle in front cannot be seen, step on the brake immediately. The distance is now only 1 meter. Fifth, judge the distance to the car behind. In the rearview mirror, only the windshield of the rear car is visible. Step on the brake. The distance is now only 50 centimeters. Finally, when you drive out of the garage, if your shoulder is over the front of the car next to you, no matter how you steer, you will not scratch the car next to you. Have you learned that? I am Brother Che. Follow me. Go to the homepage to learn more about cars.